There are a few customers who have started putting questions in question and answer session. There will be a question and answer session after this webinar. So we will be happy to assist you. We will be answering all your queries. So make sure you put all your questions in the question and answer session after the webinar. I would request Seema and Rohit to turn on your videos. We will start the webinar. Thank you so much, Rohit.
Hi.
Hello, Seema. Thank you so much. So, good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome all of you for joining this webinar. My name is Ravinder Singh, working as an Assistant Vice President for House Seekers. Before moving, I want to introduce about House Seekers. House Seekers is a fastly growing, technology-driven company. We have our business spread across Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune with more than 600 happy customers. Our aim is to enable real estate buyers to make the right choice at the right time. We always wish to make home buying journey very simple and memorable for all our customers. At House Seekers, of and understanding with every home buyer who walks into our doors to seek our trusted services. A thorough and meticulous process minimizes the risk of investing in wrong project, and we never charge a single rupee from our customers. I would like to introduce our keynote speakers, Ms. Seema, a realty expert at Xanadu.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Rohit Singh, as a realty expert from Xanadu Realty.
Hello, everyone. A very good afternoon.
Very soon, Kaushik Patil, General Manager of Sales and Marketing in Xanadu Realty, will be joining, and he would be answering all our questions, answers about the webinar, about the project. So I would like to ask Ms. Seema to please throw some light on current real estate situation and particularly land investment.
Thank you, Ravinder. Good evening, everyone. So basically, I represent from House of Abhinandan Lodha. Okay, and this is the first opportunity what most of the investors would look into when they are trying to invest in the land parcels. As you know that investing in land parcels essentially is a very, very high risk proposition where you have to do a lot of due diligence by yourself and you kind of get stuck with the paperwork. But this is one of the investment where everything would be done for you. All the paperwork would be taken care by us, and we will make your investment journey a quite smooth one with giving you a lot of support from the sales and customer care service and various others, services as well. So as you see that there's a lot of investment options available, but this is one of the option available with very, very you can say an affordable price range for any investor, and it's a development which is into a land, or rather it's an investment which is into a land, which is a very, very you can say a high risk and a high return kind of a investment what we're offering you. So I will ask Rohit to give you a small video presentation which will talk about in detail about a product, and post that we can take a Q&A and we can solve all your questions and queries out there. Okay, so all the very best, and Rohit, up to you. Just just take us through the video presentation to all our clients.
Okay. Thank you so much, Seema ma'am, for introducing the concept that what we'll be talking about today in terms of the land. And thank you, Ravindraji, for showcasing and throwing the lights in terms of the introduction. So a very good afternoon, everyone. So today the main focus today, what we are having in terms of understanding is that what exactly a land has been offering you till date and what exactly a branded land will offer from today on. And that's the concept coming from the house of Abhinandan Lodha, the very first time. Just give me a second's time. I'm sharing my screen in front of you all. Okay. Ravindraji, please confirm, is my screen and my voice both can be here and be seen?
You're audible and you're
Okay, great. So here you can see
visible as well.
okay. So as you all can see, it's an opportunity of a lifetime that is being brought from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Because before this, when you used to think about investing in a land, it used to be something that doesn't used to occur in a very regular interval. It's a really very lengthy process that one has to put a great efforts to get into that opportunity. But here we are completely transforming the market. Here we are making it as simple a product as a product being can be seen over an Amazon or Flipkart that you see, study, and go ahead with your application and the payment gateway. Something on that same parallels, we are designing this concept of the land. So mainly why people invest in land, that is basically to create a wealth. And why exactly people are creating a wealth? To create to have the brighter tomorrow or a memorable experience, or maybe someone is already planning in terms of their retirement, in terms of their pre or their post. Now how exactly people have been investing till date is via stocks, gold, FDs, and your apartment and houses. So what exactly common in all of these things? The commonality in all this investments, and these are really easy and convenient way to invest your money. If you're aware of stocks, you can go online, add your trading account. Gold, you just go neighborhood to your any of your retail outlets, you get your gold. But everything has some plus or minus point. If I say that land has a minus point in terms of getting a longer time frame of a period to invest your money, in the same way, different these things have got some minus. For example, when we talk about the stocks, now stocks is something which is which has got very upside potential to give you a very higher returns. But at the same time, it is very volatile. If a person is not aware about the stocks in a proper manner, he might end up losing a lot of money. When I talk about the gold is a risk hedging. It's an Indian culture to invest your money into. But apparently, you'd never expect a huge returns out of it because the appreciation that you get is only at the times of financial crisis. Then you have FDs, which are very planned, zero risk, not even a 0.1% of the risk is being involved. But what's the use of it if you're not getting any kind of a returns? Hardly a returns of 5.5, 5.25% that a person is getting today in FDs. And apartment houses are something where you get dual returns, that is your rental as well as your sellable value. But there is one small concern to it. Concern in terms of your entry barrier and exit barrier. Here, to enter, you have to invest minimum 40 lakhs rupees for even a 1 BHK in Mumbai or Pune. And in terms of exit, you have to wait at least for 3 to 4 years month to get a proper value for your particular property. But when we talk about the land is one such asset which is the most safest asset. It also ensures it keeps on giving the most highest returns. At the same time, there is no kind of a barrier. You can invest as minimal as amount as you wish to go ahead with and you're convenient with. So because of these three reasons, land has been one such asset which has been given continuously the very high returns from 2008 to 2018. This is a data being showcased from Knight Frank that 134% of the returns has been brought from land itself, wherein all of the investment portfolios are ranging only from 6 to 65%. So why exactly this has been happening? Because land is only one such asset which is called as evergreen asset class, which never depreciate. And henceforth it is said that today you have an opportunity to invest your money, invest it today because no one is making it anymore. It is very timeless. Why? Because the supply is way too less, but demand is constantly increasing. Hardly 29% of the world is covered by a earth, covered by a land. And in top of that, my property, my prospect is something that is land by the sea, near to the sea, which is hardly 0.2%. Hence, for the supply is way too less, but demand is high. So your prices are always going to be as constant and stagnant as it is today. Then it steadily appreciates. If your properties are a very right place where the development is going on, then even if a road gets constructed next to your plot, you get an appreciation from minimum 8 to 9% for sure. And then you have a legacy creating one of the best assets that you can easily pass on to your generation to generation. But still, people are not very much comfortable investing in a land. Why? Because it's extremely, really, very difficult to acquire. And why is so? Because many times you get multiple options over Google to have a land, but when you go see and think about buying, you end up buying that particular product, but with no support of electricity, water supply, road connections, nothing. Then there were many times there is a problem of the non-demarcation. When your property doesn't have a proper demarcation, it always has a fear of encroachment from your neighborhood itself. And the paperwork. In terms of paperwork, the land is very simpler way to have a paperwork. But just because it changes from region to region, there is a lot of confusion that what exactly paperwork is being involved in what location, in what form, and hence there's a lack of clarity. So that says that land is giving you a very high returns, but at the same time, the risk in the terms of process buying of the land is very high. But people are ready to take that risk because they know that land is only one asset, which is a coveted asset, which will help them fund their children's future education. Maybe for someone, it can help to take a tour across the world. Maybe for a person who has recently started his or her career, has that small potentiality to invest a small money today and in future getting a huge returns out of it and then starting with a business plan. Or maybe many of you are pretty clear in your mindset that today I want to have this particular property with me, I want to construct a house and have something good with me. So what we thought that if so many things are being getting revolved around this land development, which has been a traditional form of investment as well, but in between it got lost. So let's bring it today once again and eliminate all the risk. And let's ensure that our customers keep on getting only the good part of the land investment. And how exactly we're ensuring that? We are ensuring that in a form of branded land concept. And how exactly it is different from land. So land was just a land parcel for sale with all the problems that were highlighted just before. But branded land takes care of all these problems and it becomes a curation, a curated land parcel of 70 acres of the development with a gated community so that no extra factor get involved inside. At the same time, all the norms are being taken care of. Henceforth, a proper 800-meter distance is being maintained from the seaside as well. All the infrastructure here will be properly done before your possession. That is a road, electricity, water supply, and many other. A plot, be it a smaller size or be it a bigger size, everyone will be properly demarcated with a 2 feet height of the fencings. Definitely, we are talking this development coming from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. And Abhinandan Lodha is known to have a design the thematic development. And henceforth, you'll be enjoying the same world-class amenities what you enjoy anywhere else in the location of Mumbai or Pune. All your documentations are going to be cleared in between the time frame of your registration and your possession. And all the securities that we are installing here will be directly synchronized with your smartphone so that you can directly access the property from your application model itself. So the product is being very conveniently designed and the process is being very smoothened out. Now the biggest key USP of this development itself is the seaside, which I just talked about, that is just 800 meters away from the seaside, or very close. And how exactly it is benefiting to everyone? One, it definitely becomes a dream asset for everyone, that everyone decides to have a property near to the seaside. And secondly, it always has a higher appreciated value. So let's take a very basic example. Everyone knows about the location of Bandra, Worli, all the Nariman points. These are the locations which have got really very high appreciated value. But people, when you look in a proper micro market as well. So, for example, a Bandra. When you look in a micro market, there's two different markets. One is Bandstand and second is Turner Road, which is just both are just next to each other and hardly a difference of 10 minutes walking that two. But just because Bandstand is there, Bankshore on the sea line, still it has 60% higher value than what the Turner Road has to give you. Though every property is in Bandra itself, but still there itself also there is a huge gap. That is the benefit that a person gets to have a property just next to the seaside. So till now, what exactly I was talking? I talked about the land that is a recession-proof asset which never depreciates. I talked about land by the sea, which always become a dream asset and ensure that you keep on getting you the higher returns. And now I'll be talking about my offering, that is the branded land by the sea. This will give you an authenticity of having a secured process. At the same time, it will ensure that you become a price holder rather than just being a price follower. So with this, I'm introducing you all with the codename Bliss. That's the branded land investment stock schemes coming directly from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. So before I get inside in a very detailed understanding of this Bliss, what has to offer you, let me first showcase you a small AV that will give you a glimpse and will make your excitement more enthusiastic way, that will have a more inclination that what exactly this Bliss has to offer. So here I am presenting you the AV.
certified lifestyle plots at Dapoli from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Discover a life bestowed with nature's finest blessings. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of the hills, taking a leisurely stroll on the beach, letting loose with your kids in the lush greens, connecting back with the simpler joys of life, and indulging in a lifestyle thoughtfully curated just for you. The breezy 5-hour drive away from both Mumbai and Pune, Dapoli, and its magical charm is sure to mesmerize your mind, titillate your senses, and soothe your soul. Choose a lifestyle that comes with the promise of a growing investment and the assurance of one of the most inspiring legacies in real estate. The pristine mountains are waiting for you, and the azure waves are calling. It's time you truly experienced bliss with your choice.
So I'm very sure this AV would have really excited everyone, and everyone would be wanting to know more about this Bliss concept. So Bliss is something that is a game changer opportunity. Bliss is something that mainly talks about the branded land investment stock schemes. That is in the form of Abhinandan Lodhas having a seaside land plot, and investment being an upcoming location, Dapoli. So when I talk about Dapoli as a location, Dapoli is blessed to be supported by 9+ major infrastructure, and that infrastructure has been ensuring this market to get a returns of 12 to 15% year on year from last 3 to 4 years time frame. That is the returns, kind of a returns that you are getting from Dapoli. And in terms of stocks, it is kind of a modular purchase. Modular purchase in the sense that here you have the minimum size of 2,500 square feet as a plot size. Here you can get a multiplication of units, that unit being done into 2, 3, 4, 5 times as per your convenience of your size visibility or as per the convenience of your finance visibility. And scheme has been really very simplified digital buying process. It has become as easy as buying a product over an Amazon or a Flipkart, as I just talked of quite some time back. So what exactly a seaside life brings into your life? A seaside life brings a calmness and a relaxation that gives you a respiratory system and encourages for a very active lifestyle. And how exactly that lifestyle evolves in terms of your sense of pride, and that is into the sense of having a more observant and being more experimental towards the nature, towards the beauty of the nature. And in that experimentation of the beauty and nature, the offering starts here from 2,500 and it goes till 50,000 square feet in terms of plot sizes. And the biggest point to notice here is something that the FSI that you are getting is a 1.27 times. One of the biggest FSI that ever a development has got in Dapoli. Before this, all the development were having a range of only from 0.5 to 0.8% FSI. And talking about Dapoli itself, Dapoli is India's only one such location which is called as coastal hill station, and not just as coastal and not just a hill station, because here you get to enjoy two different beauties of the world, that is the mountains as well as the seas, both interacting with each other. This is the exact same offering what an international trip Bali offers to everyone. Dapoli has got a very big history in terms of having a military camp also by the Britishers in 1800s, and hence today also many churches can be found. Has a very good potential to become the next Alibag by 2025. Because what Alibag was in 2010 or 2011 as a market, exactly that same is today Dapoli as a market in terms of your pricing. But Alibag took almost 10 years of a time frame to get 159% appreciation. That's a very precise number I'm talking about, 159%. But Dapoli is in a situation where because of 9+ major infrastructure, because of 12 to 15% year-on-year growth, it can easily get 150% appreciation within a period of only 5 years. That is by 2025 itself. Particularly, Dapoli has always been a nature's best kept secret because of its hidden coastal paradise for the tourists, and for the investor it has been a hidden gem. At the same time, has got multiple beaches. One of the beach is Kolthari Beach, just next to our development. It's also the part of UNESCO World Heritage because multiple bird species are being found in this location. One of the best places in across India to spot dolphin because of its clean water, and definitely it has a blend of history because of its local Maratha. You get to explore multiple villages, caves, temples, forts, and many other things to explore around. Now, here we will be talking about the bliss in the connectivity. Now, this connectivity will showcase that why are the reasons that this whole location is getting an appreciation. What is the convenience of traveling here? So the very first thing is the Khed railway station, which is just 40 minutes away from our development. But at the same time, a new railway station is also being introduced, that is Mahad railway station. So to enter in Dapoli, you'll be having two different stations. So that's the appreciation you get. Very soon, people who are residing in Mumbai will be the most happy one to know this news, because in the next 1.5 years time frame, from Belapur Marina, you would be having a direct jetty services being started to reach at Dapoli. So in just a bit of 70 minutes, you will reach from Mumbai to Dapoli. Then you will be having a New Panvel International Airport, one of the closest one from Dapoli at a distance of 165. At this moment, the nearest international airport is one in the Pune, that is roughly around 190 km, and one in the Mumbai Santa Cruz, roughly around 240 km. So you'll be thinking that how exactly 165 km is helping you out. There are two things. Definitely, one, your distance is being getting reduced with a very minimal size. Second, it will allow the people coming from outside Maharashtra also to travel at Dublin in a very easy and convenient way, because people can easily get at New Panvel International Airport, move towards Belapur in 5 minutes, take a jetty, and move towards the Dapoli. That's the convenience I am talking about. And good part is that New Panvel International Airport has already got the permission to go on within cargo shipments. So 2 years, it's going to be a safety measures being taken. Once it's approved, by third year, people will be able to fly down, because the passenger flights will getting starting takeoff and drop off. Then you have the roadways, that is Mumbai Goa Highway and Pune Mangaon Road. So Mumbai Goa Highway, the National Highway 17 is being expanded from 2 lane to 6 lane. Apparently 60% of the work has been completed. And the Pune Mangaon Road, where you have this Tamini Ghat, even that 2-tar is being expanded with 4-tar road. Now, these things ensure that your price keeps on increasing, as well as your time taken today by a road is of 5 hours, that get reduced by at least 1.5 years time frame. So easily in a period of 3.5 hours, you'll be able to reach from Mumbai and Pune both places. Now, a market definitely requires an economic boost, because just because of the infrastructure coming doesn't mean you will get an appreciation. Economic boost is really very important. How exactly economic boost comes? By having a cash inflow in the market, and that is being taken care by the Digiport and DMIC. Both of the projects are both of the projects are the biggest project of India. So DMIC, Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor, is being directly connected with Digiport, which is very nearby to Dapoli, which will ensure that all the international trades happen at Digiport and bring the people of opportunity in terms of workforce labor employability, and that increases the wages and salary. That salary in turns showcase into the cash inflow of market and brings the economic boost. And here you all would be able to see my Google Map image, that where exactly this location is being spotted. So right now, where I'm rotating my cursor, you'll be able to see a blue color marking with a U-shape formation. That U-shape formation is basically my 70 acres of the development, which is apparently 800 meters away from the seaside. And if you notice this whole image in a very proper manner, this whole development is on a hill cliff top. So the farther you keep going away from the seaside, the ground level height keeps on increasing. This ensures that everyone has a proper 360-degree panoramic views without getting any obstruction from some other houses. Then you have a Kolthare beach here. Now, Kolthare beach is at a very walkable distance, but at the same time, it has also got the option to travel via road as well. So if you want to take a car, you have to take this yellow color marked road, that is 1.5 kilometer. But as I told you, it's a very walkable distance. You won't be taking that road via your car. You can easily, you just have to get out from this development, get down from this cliff by walking, and move straight towards Kolthare. Apparently 850-900 meters of the walking that a person needs to do. That is hardly a 10 minutes of walking that you will be needed to reach down at Kolthare beach. That's the location what I'm talking about. And I'm very sure till now people would be like, yeah, Rohit, tumne ye bata diya, wo bata diya, location bata diya. But what about showcase something? That how exactly this location is going to look like? What is the location? So with this, I'm introducing my very first actual image of the site. This is from the very first land. This is the beauty of this whole development, where this whole bliss is going to come up. Image 2, slightly from the farther area. And then you have a view 3. Here you all get a 2 feet height of the demarcation will be designed for all the plot areas. And now I'm taking you all inside the development, that how exactly the 70 acres of the development will look like. What are the amenities being coming in? So this is all going to be a lifetime experience, because the amenities that we are designing here are purely based upon a vernacular architecture. Henceforth, it becomes very sustainable and cost efficient for us. And in return, how exactly it helps you in terms of having a lower maintenance cost. So the very first element that you are able to see is the community center, a kind of a clubhouse where you are having a co-working space, music or dance center, and open air spaces. Amenities in terms of for all the age groups. Then you have a proper aqua zone, a big spacious swimming pool aqua zone where you'll be having all the gazebos and sit outs in and around, and an alternative image to that. Then we have a wellness center where in the open ground space you'll be having the meditation pergolas, and in the inside room you will be having a proper spa and an indoor gym, and this whole development being surrounded by a plot areas. The fourth element talks about the botanical garden, where you'll be having the lush variety of the plants that will be put inside. This will attract all the multiple bird species in the off-grid location to come inside and sit and do a bird shopping. Then you have indigenous stonework, sitting spaces, and all the open counter kitchen to enjoy your meals in terms of breakfast and lunches. Then here comes the multi-sport play spaces, where you enjoy all the futsal turf, mini cricket pitch, basketball court, children play spaces, and once again being surrounded by your plot areas. Now this image seems to be a very normal image, but trust me, one of the most important images is this one itself. Because people, if you would be coming here as a vacation home or something, you don't have to move outside to buy any kind of the groceries, hardware and essential medicines, because you'll be having a proper convenience outlet of ground plus one floor inside this 70 acres of the development. And as earlier told you, all the security system are going to be an app-based security system, so you can directly access your property sitting right across any corner of the India. And here comes my complete 70 acres of the development layout plan. Till now, whatever the amenities that I just showcased to you, what we are doing, we are spreading it out in each and every corner of this development rather than accumulating at one single place, so that it allows everyone to have some of the other amenities just in their footstep. So number one, location which you're able to see here, you'll be having the sports, the multi-sports area. At number two, the aqua zone. Number three, we'll be having a community and your wellness center. And number four, we'll have a botanical garden. And all the light green colors with white blocks that you are able to see are particularly my plots that will have an allocation in the month of February 2021. So as I told that the February 2021 is an allocation. So how exactly today you would be applying for? So let's come to the commercials now. Today you have an option for multiple units. You have Aqua, you have Laguna, Ocean and Amity Grand. That basically is 2,500, 7,500, 25,000 and 50,000. This is the four major categories that we have categorized into, but you can go ahead with multiple choices. You can go with 5,000, 10,000, the way you are convenient with. Multiples can be done of 2,500. Now to apply, now to become a part of this development, what exactly you have to do? You have to fill a pre-booking form. A pre-booking form with an pre-booking fee of 99,000 rupees for the Aqua unit, and the way you keep on changing your unit, the token amount keeps on increasing. That we will have a discussion on one-on-one basis. Once your payment and your pre-booking form is filled, automatically a receipt is been generated that is there with you. Suppose that in the month of February 2021, your allocation happens based upon first come first serve. So whoever would have given an application today at the most earliest time will have more choice and preferences to have their particular unit in the time of February 2021. Once we approve at that time that Rohit, the allocation what I've got, I'm comfortable with that, then we proceed with the registration. And post that somewhere in the month of April, May, you get your possession. At that time of possession, you have to complete your full payment amount. So let us, before we get into the pricing and everything, let us have a bifurcation that what exactly we talked about the Codename Bliss. We talked about that what exactly we are offering. This is the land, which is one of the most safest assets which never depreciates. Then we talk that it's a branded land that is by the sea, which always will be ensuring that you keep on getting the higher returns. Now the brand is also not some regular brand or something. It's directly from the house of Abhinandan Uddar. That's one of the most reputed brand. One of the top 5 builders you can talk about. Post that, the seaside lifestyle plot will ensure that you get some proper lifestyle experience in terms of having a pride sense. And along with that, the location itself is one of the most promising location, that is Tapoli. which has always been a hidden coastal paradise and a hidden gem for all the investors. If we consider all this point, definitely your asset becomes a very priceless. There cannot be any price set that we can set for this. But to sell you out, we have to put some pricing. So before we set a particular price, let us understand that how exactly we can actually set a particular price point. So when we talk about Mumbai we have no option for the land. When we talk about Lonavala, definitely we have an option for 2,500 square feet. But what exactly it is going to cost you? 1 crore rupees. And for what? Just from a local developer or maybe from a broker. There is no brand, there is no city. It's only the mountains that you are getting to enjoy. Alibag, definitely you will get in Alibag as of for 2,500, but at the cost of 50 lakhs rupees. And once again, only for one beauty, that is seaside. Here you are missing the hills. And also the brand is completely getting missed out. In Goa, both is same as Alibag. You will at a cost of 75 lakhs, but once again only the seaside with no brand, no hills. But here in Dapoli, we are talking about hill station. We are talking about coastal paradise. We are talking about the brand, and that's the Abhinandan Luna. So what should I be bringing a price to you that makes your decision making very comfortable and easier for you to take a particular call today? So let me present a price to you. A pricing of 12,50,000 rupees as in plot cost. On this, you'd be having a plus of your stamp duty registration, total coming down to somewhere close to 17 lakhs rupees. 17 lakhs rupees, I guess one of the best pricing that one can offer right now for this particular development. Just for just a beautiful and thematic development, 17 lakhs is the best price. But here is the twist. Today you are coming way too early out to have your particular decision. Today you are a pre-opportunity customer, so definitely you'll be getting a pre-launch price as well. This plot cost of 12,50,000 plus your stamp duty registration will be a cost post 28th of Feb 2021. Basically, the people who will be missing out on an opportunity today will incur a higher cost to get an opportunity later on stage. But people who have joined us today, they have a very good opportunity to get in this development with just a price point of 9,90,000 rupees as unit cost. On this, you'll be having your infra cost and stamp duty registration. Still, your all-inclusive cost comes to only 12,52,000 rupees. That's the price which is going to be only your plot cost in the month of February. And today that same cost is your proper all-inclusive price, including your stamp duty, everything, 12,52,000. And this is a pre-launching offer, but still only available till 4th of October. People need to really very carefully listen to this. It's applicable only till 4th of October, the next 2 days. Because post that, we are ending this particular launch phase. And also along with that, we are ensuring the prices are being hiked up by 25% minimum. So people who have really understood the opportunity today, have really liked this concept today, you have got time today, you have the opportunity to get inside this development with the same price point. So my request to everyone will be, grab your phone, you have our numbers, we have our numbers, you have an email ID, everything you have, you directly having the application form itself with you. What you have to do is just pick up your phone, complete your application process and submit, and let us know that you have completed your application, and at that same time you become a part of this development. But a small twist. Before you proceed with an application, what I would be requesting to you will be that don't go with one single unit of Aqua. Go for at least 2 units, because here today, when you are applying, you are getting a very good price, pre-launch pricing when compared to the pricing of the Feb. That basically means that today you would be saving a certain amount as compared to February. So today 9.9, in February 12.5. That's a gap of 2.6 lakhs rupees. So when you go for 2 plots, you are saving 5.2 lakhs rupees in total, comparing today's price and the future price. So what exactly this 5.2 lakhs means to you? This means that you are saving almost 50% of the amount on your second plot. 50% of almost 42% of the price is being saved on today's price as compared to the February's price. So henceforth, think about going with 2 different plots rather than one single plot. And with this, here's the end-to-end presentation, but we are open to take your questions, the queries that you'll be having. And from here, I would like to request Ms. Seema Kale and Mr. Ravinder Singh to assist all the question and answers for all our clients. Thank you so much.
Sure, Rohit. Sir, before we proceed, there are few customers who have joined in a bit late. So I would request you if you can play the video once again for the customers.
The video part?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Ever dreamt of staying close to the blissful sea, the splendid mountains, and perhaps even your heart? Destination waiting to be discovered by you. Introducing Codename Bliss. Discover seaside lifestyle plots at Daburi from the house of Abhinandan Lutha. Discover a life bestowed with nature's finest blessings. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of the hills, taking a leisurely stroll on the beach, letting loose with your kids in the lush greens, reconnecting back with the simpler joys of life, and indulging in a lifestyle thoughtfully curated just for you. The breezy 5-hour drive away from both Mumbai and Pune, Daburi, and its magical charm is sure to mesmerize your mind, titillate your senses, and soothe your soul. Choose a lifestyle that comes with the promise of a growing investment and the assurance of one of the most inspiring legacies in real estate. The pristine mountains are waiting for you, and the azure waves are calling. It's time you truly experienced bliss with your choice.
So that was the video. That was the video. That was the introduction to the Bliss and the whole excitement of this particular development.
Yes, thank you so much, Rohit, for playing this video once again. I would request all the customers, they can put their questions in the question and answer section where we can answer all your questions. So we have...
Hi, Ravinder. This is Kaushik. Good evening, everyone. This is Kaushik here.
yes, good evening, Kaushik ji.
Yeah, hi. Sorry,
Hi,
I just
Kaushik, sir. Thank you for joining.
Yes, so just now, Rohit has given us the beautiful presentation about the Dapoli opportunity that we have it, and
Sure.
we have received quite a lot of questions from the customers. So I would request you to answer those questions.
Sure.
There's a very first question that we have received from anonymous attendee. Who is the current owner of the land? Is encumbrance certificate available for this? Any
Yes,
residential approval?
Sure. So just to answer this question, currently, I mean, when we allocate you the plot in month of February, all the encumbrance, your NA certificate, and the Satbara, which is the title certificate, which will be in your name, individual Satbara, it will be furnished to you, and only then you proceed with the registration, right? So that's how it is. Also, I'll take few questions, Ravinder, one by one. So there's some anonymous attendee who's asking who is the current owner. So the current owner will be us, and you're going to transfer it to your name, right? Ms. Prabjit Kaur is asking, can I use and build 2,500 square feet entirely? Any FSI percentage applicable here? Yes, Ms. Kaur, you can build 25. So the FSI which is available here is 1.27.
Kaushik ji, I'm sorry to interrupt you. we are not able to see your video. If you can turn on your video and
So as I told you, Ravindraji, I was just traveling, so I just came for the Q&A session. Yeah, so I'm in a little, the network, there's a network issue here, so I'm unable to
okay, fine, no
switch
problem.
on my video. Yeah, sorry for
Okay,
that.
it's okay.
Yeah, so Ms. Kaur, to come back to your question, so on a 2,500 square feet, one can build 3,100 square feet. This is an FSI of 1.27. Of course, there is a highest restriction of 6 meters, and hence you will be only able to build G plus 1. Rather, everyone will be able to build G plus 1 on this, right? Mr. Rajneesh Darne is asking, can you also construct the house? If so, what will be the cost for it? Mr. Darne, we won't be providing services in terms of constructing the house. However, we will give you contacts of our empaneled architects and contractors. You may liaise directly with them and build house as per your like. Having said that, you also have the flexibility to get your own architect and contractor, and then basis skill set and the cost, you can always decide for yourself. Uh, Mr. Sachin Pednekar is asking, is loan facility available? Yes, Mr. Pednekar, the loan facility is available. Right? Mr. Manish Das is asking the same question, the loan facility. So yes, it's available. Any other questions, if anyone would have, we'll be happy to answer.
Yes, there is one question from Nitin Singh. What is the house of Abhinandan Lodha? What is the exact amount of infrastructure cost?
So the
What
exact
can I
amount of
do to
infrastructure.
site visit?
So right now it's too short notice for site visit. People who have visited on their own. To host you at the site, will be inviting you at the site in the month of February. Right now, it is imperative to just apply for this, and when the plots will be allocated, we are going to invite you over there. It's from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. That's a brand which is there, right? So these are branded seaside plots.
He also has few questions. Is the 99,000 amount booking amount refundable? If yes, then what would be the exact amount?
Yes, the 99,000 is fully refundable. The process is when we allocate you the plots. Okay, if you don't like it, we are going to allocate you some alternate plots. Still, if you don't like that, we are going to refund the entire amount to you, and it's a full refund of 99,000 rupees.
Uh, Mangesh Awad is asking, can kindly arrange callback and brochure? We will be sending them once this webinar is done. And again, he has another question. Because of height restrictions, I guess entire FSI might not get consumed, right?
No, that's wrong, Mr. Awad. I'll give you an example. It's a 2,500 square feet plot. The FSI is supposedly 3,000 square feet, right? Just a ballpark. I'm giving you a rounded figure. It's 3,100 to be precise. You do a 1,500 square feet base construction plus 1,500, that's 3,000 square feet. You still have 1,000 square feet vacant in front of you for landscaping and parking.
Okay, there is another question from Abhinav Ashu. Which top banks and NBFC are giving loans for this project?
So, Mr. Ashu, plot loan is a product which all the banks don't offer you. We have in principle approval from HDFC Bank, and that product will be offered to you at the time of allocation. It's a plot loan product from HDFC.
Manish Das also has the same question, and can we? He has a further question. Can we go for 90% loan? And is it like usual home loan that he's going to get it, or?
Yeah, so Mr. Das, it's like usual home loan only, a little difference of 0.5%, right? So difference from the home loan. The loan which you get is only 60% of the entire amount. It may vary depending on your eligibility. It can go to 70% also.
Abhinav has another question. Is HDFC giving loan on this project?
Yes, Mr. Ashu, HDFC loan, plot loan product.
Okay. Ajit Kaur wants to know whether we have the brochure available. Yes, we do have the brochure available. Our sales team will get in touch with you once the webinar is done. Mangesh Awad, kindly show aqua plots in the layout, and are you going to charge separately for amenities?
So, Mr. Awad, we suggest that we will connect with you one-on-one, right? We will show you the aqua plots. Right now, the plotting is not exactly done. What was shown to you is the indicative layout, right? In terms of amenity, your question regarding amenities, yes, there is a separate charge of amenities, which is shown in the price sheet. That is 1.5 lakh.
So I think we have answered all the questions. I would request the participants, the customers, if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask, or our sales team will definitely get in touch with each and every one of you to understand your queries and take it ahead. Another question is from Manish Das. I booked one plot in August. If I book one more, will it be adjacent to previous one?
So you've booked one, and if you want to book one more, yes, it can be. You will have a dedicated number, which is the MMD number, receipt number. You just have to get back to us with that number, and we'll ensure that it's adjacent to that at the time of allocation. Don't worry about that. It will be taken care.
Ajit Kaur, she has another question. How far is sea view from the plot?
So if I have to talk about, so from the high tide line, right? High tide line, we have kept, it's mandatory to keep a distance of 500 meters. So that is there, that 500 meters is there, right? After that, there's a 300 meters, which is a cliff. So 800 meters is the distance from the sea. However, if you compare the aerial distance, that is little less than 800 meters. And you are at 200 feet above the sea level. So you get an aerial view of the sea.
There's another question from Gaurav Arora. What are the overall number of plots available, and what basis allocation would be done in terms of location preference?
So we have quite a number of plots which are available, Mr. Arora. Right now there are 1,200 people who have booked, and we have the ability to consume all this plot. Hence, and actually we could expect some wash also. So plots are available. We have extended the land parcel with the amount of response we have received, right? In terms of, another question is what basis allocation would be done. So allocation will be done on first come first basis. So right now there are people who have booked before you. We are going to allocate the plot to them first, and followed by you.
Another question is from Bharat Shah. I am an agent. I have 2 plans to book. Can you help? Yes, Bharatji, I have jotted down your name and number. I will get in touch with you once the webinar is done. Another question is from Rajesh Jain. Is there be any recurring cost other than CapEx?
The CapEx, yeah.
Yeah.
So Mr. Jain, the recurring cost will be the maintenance cost. It is 5 rupees per square feet per year. So for a 2,500 square feet plot, right, the maintenance is 12,500 rupees for a year.
Another question is Mangesh Awad. 1.5 lakhs for all the amenities. Lifetime for aqua plots. Also, do all aqua plots get sea view at least from their terrace?
Yeah, so all the plots which are adjacent to each other, and I believe this answers the following question also from Mr. Manish Das. Yeah, so the plots will be adjacent to each other. All the plots will be getting a sea view from the first floor and terrace, right? That's because there are height restrictions. So everyone will get a sea view. The only difference is, just for everyone to relate, right? If we go and stay in a resort, there are few rooms which will be like 1 or 2 minutes walk from the beach, and there are few rooms which will be 6 to 7 minutes walk from the beach. That is the only difference over here. View everyone will get.
Another question is from Gaurav Arora. What about location preference in case we have something specific requirements?
Mr. Arora, we will be more than happy to accommodate at our best to, just to allocate you as per your preference, right? However, for now, we will not guarantee you 100%, right? Because there are other people also who have booked, and we have to give take care of their preference also, right? So maybe out of this plot, there will be some set of people, maybe around 10%, or it will not be possible for us to meet the preference of everyone. 10% because of operational challenges, we are going to miss on their preferences. But having said that, yes, of course, you are more than welcome to book, and your preference will be noted.
Okay. Mangesh Awad has another question. Practical walking and driving distance in kilometers.
Yeah, so driving distances, you have to come out of the plot. There's a road which is there, right? The road name is Gomrai Marg. You have to go through that road to the beach. It is around 1.5 kilometer. Yeah, it takes 7 minutes for you to reach there by car. And walking, there's going to be a walkway from the plot, right, which will take you directly to the beach.
Manish Das has another question. What is distance from nearest city?
Yeah, so distance from the main Dapoli city, or the Dapoli market which is there, right? It is around 12 kilometers, right? Having said that, you have all the basic amenity shops which are available in Kolthare also, right? Apart from this, there is Khed, which is another main city, which is 20 kilometers, 27 kilometers from Dapoli. But Dapoli is like a good junction where you get everything. I would not call it a city if that's where you're coming from. But if it's like a proper city we are talking about, then Mumbai is the closest around. So from Panvel, it's 165 kilometers. From Pune, it's 185 kilometers. Mr. Awad is asking for a brochure and uh, meeting on phone. Yeah, so Mr. Awad, our team will be connecting with you after this webinar, and the brochure will be sent across. Mr. Neeraj Kumar is asking how many units are total and how many units already booked. Mr. Kumar, right now there are more than 1,200 people who have already applied for this, right? And units, yes, as I told you, all the units will be consumed. So it's a 70-acre land parcel. Initially, we opened around 55 acres, but with the response, it's 70 acres which is open. Mr. Nitin Singh is asking nearest railway station and its distance in kilometers. So if I talk about Konkan Railway, Khed is the station which is there, right? If you have to go from Mumbai, I assume it's from Mumbai. So then Khed is the nearest station of Konkan Railway, right? From Khed, the distance to Dapoli is 27 kilometers, and from Dapoli, this particular beach is 12 kilometers. Mr. Mangesh Awad is asking for meeting in Pune. No, Mr. Awad, we are not doing any physical meetings with the pandemic. It's in the interest of safety of our employees. I'm sure you'll appreciate that. Anything over the phone or like a Google Meet meeting, we'll be happy to assist. Mr. Sachin Shirvalkar is asking, can you share plot details to me on my email ID? Yes, the presentation will be shared with you.
I have jotted down your email address. We will be sharing you the details shortly.
So we've answered this. Mr. Rajesh Jain, what time you are expecting to complete infrastructure you have shown in presentation? And suppose anyone buy plot now, when can he start construction? Majorly security status at that time. Yes, so the completion of the plot is February when we allocate you, right? By March, April is when the registrations are done. By May, June is when the possession will be given to everyone. Yeah, plus minus 1 month is what you can expect, right? The construction immediately after possession you can start. If you want to just keep the plot vacant and maybe you want to start it after like 6 months, 1 year, that is also fine. In terms of security status, yes, it's a gated community, Mr. Jain. So you have your IP enabled security cameras, which is again a part of the amenity which is there, and it is a gated compound.
Is there any big brands like hotels, chains, or opting for this? It's a question by Manish Das.
So there are 3-star hotels, 4-star hotels in the vicinity of the proximity of 12 kilometers. Fern is one of the brand which is there. You can of course Google about the hotels in Dabuli and you'll find these hotels which are there for you.
ये कर दो.
Mr. Arora is asking in 70 acre, in my calculation, it cannot be more than 800, 900 units considering smallest units. So what is the plan? I mean, I don't know where you're coming from, Mr. Kumar. As I told you, we expect a wash also in this. There are 1,200 people who have booked. We are in this industry for a while, and there are people who will cancel this. And because of there'll be people who will be working for an LLP who will maybe not get a loan. There'll be people who will maybe change their mind, right? So in our experience, everyone will be allocated. If not, there's another land parcel which is already in process of procuring. We're acquiring that land parcel apart from the 70 acre, but it is right now in process, and hence we are not announcing that. Right, this is a big plateau which is there. So when you visit there, you'll come to understand where I'm trying to make you understand. So don't worry about that, Mr. Arora. Sorry, Mr. Kumar. Yeah. Mr. Arora is asking, would the infrastructure for road, power, and water be available on possession? Yes, it will be available. There will be no possession which will be given before that, but it will be available by May, June at the time of possession, and not by February. So we will do pull that and make it ready by May, June next year. Mr. Neeraj Kumar is asking, this pre-offer has been extended since August. What is the reason considering already have 1,200 plus bookings? This pre-booking, there were few people who still wanted to book, and because of this long weekend, we have extended it till 4th of October. Otherwise, plan was to shut it last month. So like this will be in the end of September, but right now we have just extended till 4th of October. I would just like to know, Mr. Kumar, why are you asking this question? I mean, if you could just mention that also. I mean, what is your exact concern? Mr. Manish Das, I mean, big hotel chains with this project. No, Mr. Das, there are no big hotel chains around. Big hotel chains are usually around commercial area. You'll find big hotel chains in Pune. You'll find it in Mumbai. You'll find it in Delhi, right? Because big hotels, the operation cost is also big, right? They will have huge banquets also. So the crowd in Dapoli with the amount of population, these big hotels, big chains won't be able to survive there. It is an upcoming tourist destination. I mean, something like Lonavala also, there are not big hotel brands. You have local brands which are currently there.
Another question we have it from Prabjeet Kaur. MSAP will be the electricity provider. How about water supply?
Yes, MSAP will be the electricity provided. Water supply will be the borewell which is there.
I've answered all the questions so far. So if anyone has any questions, you can feel free to ask.
One more question. And maybe you can project the your contact details, Ravinder. If anyone wants to contact, they can connect with you.
Yes, we will do that. I have another client, Mr. Kishan, who wants to ask some questions. So we are unmuting him. This.
Yeah.
Kishanji, you have we have unmuted you, so you can speak if you have any questions.
No,
we have
no,
also unmuted Rajesh.
I don't have any question.
Kishanji?
No, I don't have any question as of now.
Sure.
Okay.
So
okay.
Manish Das is asking on Q&A water availability. So yeah, water is available. There'll be huge bore wells which will be there to provide water to the entire plot. Mr. Bharat Shah is saying reply. So if you can just ask your question again. Have you missed on his question? Ravinder, Mr. Bharat Shah's question.
Bharatji, we have unmuted you, so
Okay.
if you have any
Yeah, he was
questions, you can
asking
ask
for.
us.
He was asking for. He has 2 clients who wants to book. So
We
yeah,
have some 2-3 clients on inquiry. Can you
yeah,
help me?
Bharat bhai, we will contact you for this. Ravinder will be contacting you regarding this. Yeah.
All right.
So this is a B2C forum. We'll connect with you.
All right. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Rajesh ji, we have also unmuted you. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask.
There are multiple websites for this project. Neeraj Kumar is asking which one is authentic, I believe. So there are a lot of our partners who are selling this and who are doing websites. So these are for your query. But at the end of the day, it's our team who will be talking to. These are just for just lead generation. So whatever queries we are getting, it will be direct to our team, and we'll be talking to employees from House of Abhinandan Lodha. For now, Mr. Kumar, we can arrange a call for you, and you can talk to Ravinder ji or his team. मिस्टर नीरज कुमार को आप रविंदर जी रोहित सिंह से कनेक्ट करवा दीजिएगा प्लीज.
ठीक है, I have jotted down his information.
Yeah. Okay, Ravinder ji, I don't think we have any more questions. So
So I believe we have answered all the questions. We'll show you we'll project our contact details just behind. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to call us. Just a moment. Okay, so you can feel free to reach me at 9324 900 168. You can drop us an email. My email address Ravinder, that is RAVINDER .Singh SINGH @House Seekers HOUSESEKERS.in. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Kaushik ji. Thank you, Seema, for giving us this a great highlight about this beautiful opportunity that we have it. And I would again like to thank all the customers to attend this webinar, to be the part of this webinar.
thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.